These are fantastic.
Look at them, they're gleaming. Looks like you've got a sparkle app on them.
Look,
oh, look,
I
you haven't
have
even unwrapped them. You can buy the brushes on the website. Did you do that with it?
With the brushes?
What you like? Got the wrong brush already. It's this one.
Oh God, you're going to test me now.
Yeah. Let's see what good a friend you are. That's it.
This one?
Right. That's the one. Do the hand thing.
Is that what makeup artists do?
They do, yeah. Because otherwise you can't really see it when it's floating around. They do that. And the cow. That's it. That's the one. Okay, so are you going for the only palette that you've got, the Bare Minerals one?
Well, who's got 2 palettes, for God's sake?
So, come on then, which one did we choose? I'm putting you in a test now, test situation. Which one did we start with?
You're so patronising.
Oh, I'm not. You're only because you're panicking now.
This one, Donna.
What's it called? No, the one next to it. Tribe we used.
How am I going to read that?
One fail.
Hang on, wait a minute.
What are you using?
If you do this with your hand...
It doesn't work.
It does. It creates a smaller aperture. Well, it's not working just now, to be fair.
Funny that.
What am I doing?
Underneath, where you went before.
Okay. As the actress said to the bishop. I have got a few people saying that my skin is amazing. Now, obviously...
It does look very glowy there.
And they say, what are you doing for your skin? Well, I've got a bloody ring light on. What do you think?
Have you tried the different colour lights? Because there's a white light. If you touch the button, it changes.
God. Hang on.
Okay, that's a bit bluey, a bit too harsh.
Well, but hang on. I think it's just 2.
Oh, did you? Oh, yeah.
We don't like that.
No, put the warm one on.
Get me the warm one back. Oh, hang on.
Up.
Oh.
There's such a difference when it's off. I can't believe the difference.
Okay. Don't go on about it. Look at, look at those lines there.
Don't go down.
Don't go down, as the actress said to the bishop. I've always got to get one actress and bishop gagging.
You're always going to get one gagging. Oh my Lord. Right. Run it along, Kaye. Right, put it against your skin and like run the scissors along the skin. The side of the scissors. Not like that, no. To the side.
Let me see what.
Look,
what do you mean? Like
so this side, not like this. No, this way. So
like that.
The skin. Yes, that's why you've got this slight curve, so it runs along neatly. Yeah. Oh, don't keep moving your eyes up and down. She's going to top them all off.
To be honest, I'm only humouring you. I've no idea what I'm bloody doing. How are you? I haven't fake tanned. I'll tell you the story when Donna comes on. I haven't fake tanned. Donna.
Hey, Adams, get off that screen.
Listen, and also the little ring light that you sent me. I can't get it high up, so I'm having to sit like this. And I'm frightened if I lift it, it's going to fall to bits. Now listen.
What are you doing? What is going on with your face?
Texted you and said, what do I need? And you said foundation, powder, lip pencils, lipstick, a gloss and a highlighter and brow tools. And I'm looking at all this stuff thinking, oh my God, I don't know what it is. And then you said, put on your foundation and mascara and some blusher. Don't touch your brows or your lips, which I haven't. You'll be glad to know. So I put on this foundation.
That's not foundation, Kaye. That was bronzer. That's liquid bronzer.
Oh, that's bronzer.
That had a bronzer post-it note on it.
Oh my God. Because I'm putting it on like this, you know, putting it on my hand. Oh, that's a bit dark. I think she's forgotten I'm Scottish. She doesn't realise what it's like. So I thought, well, I'll give it a go. She knows better than me.
I had to make lips look bigger, okay? So I was just reading up on a few things, a few like home remedies that you can do as well to make lips bigger. Did you know that you can exercise your lips to make the muscles work more just by doing, you know?
Is this going to be saucy? Because I don't want any saucy stuff. It's too early.
So that apparently can help.
I'm just not going there. I am just not going there. Right. I know what you're trying to lead me into. I'm not doing it.
If you put cayenne pepper and olive oil on your lips, I've mixed some here.
Right.
It brings blood up to your lips and makes them look bigger. It doesn't last all day, but it'd be great for a selfie shot. So I'm going to do that while you're going to be doing your is this your spicy one? This is going to hurt me.
I don't think that's wise, Donna.
No, Denise Welsh used to say doing this as well, not on your lips, but something else.
You're doing it again.
What?
We're not doing that dirty stuff.
Oh, you cheeky boo. That's it. Blend it all over. God, this is really spicy. Look, it's dribbling all down me.
Yeah, that'll make a fabulous selfie. Well done, Donna.
God, my tongue's on fire. I'm going to have a massive tongue, I think. Oh, right. I can visualise already what this is going to be like. I've got no tissue.
Is that the cayenne pepper?
When I say draw above the lip line, I'm not saying...
Did you just wipe your nose on the back of your hand?
Yes.
That's disgusting.
What else? I've got no tissue with me. I might just put a little bit more on my old cayenne on my lips.
Don't do that. I think you'll get some...
No, I'll be all right. It's all natural, isn't it?
You're going to get a reaction.
No, I won't. It's just a herb.
That's famous last words, that is.
True. My tongue's...
Keith says I need darker or sharper. Keith's good at makeup.
Keith's good. Well, I did tell her to rub it on her hand a few times, so it was... Anyway, right.
It wasn't a clear pencil.
Have you got any other lipstick with you? You haven't, no? Just
I could run and get it if you can be bothered.
No, don't bother. Oh, a minute.
I've got a reputation to protect, you know.
Come on, my lips are burning. I'll wipe it off in a minute. We'll see if it's made.
Is that calm ready or not?
Is that peachy-ish?
Yeah.
Let's put that on. Just put that. Just bung it on. Bung it on.
I'll just take the hair off it because I've lost the top.
You're sick. I've got pepper in my eye. Oh,
right.
God.
Concentrate, everyone.
I think I just got pepper in my eye. I know I've got mascara in it.
Somebody just said, don't put it in your eye.
No, I know. Don't I got up there?
That they like my makeup just now.
Yeah,
well,
go on.
That's because Simone did it on Friday.
On Friday? Wait, what day are we on today?
Tuesday.
Kaye, you are joking.
No. Come on, it looks good, doesn't it?
That is really bad.
Why?
You haven't washed since Friday.
Of course I've washed my face.
You're getting worse. The older you get, you're getting worse.
That was our reason we decided that we were going to do makeup with tampons.
She decided. Can't do that. I cannot do any accent. I'm just laughing. Don't yeah.
What, is that your real accent?
Don't want to do a Scottish accent. Give me a Scottish thing to say.
It's a brobrecht moonlicht nicht the nicht.
Oh, don't show off.
I'm going to batter you.
I'm going to batter you.
Away and bell your heat.
Away and bell your heat. Did you only have one at that time when you were doing your makeup?
Yeah.
So you used it for everything, did you?
Everything.
Everything. Right. Let's put a little bit of blush on. This is where it might cock up.
Really?
No puns intended.
You mean just this is where it might cock up? Wow.
Because your eye goes downwards, south, we're going to make it go north, okay? So what you...
North!
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 Oh, look, my makeup's all over the bloody place. Right, so see in line with your eyebrow, This is the way. This is where you want, right?
To go north.
This is. That's where you go north.
Come on, concentrate.
My eyes are all wet. Look. Right. So what you're gonna do is, so from the eyebrow down to there, it's got to go north. Right.
North. Right. I'm going north. It's not easy for me. Everything's going south with me, not north.
Right. What you can do is take the pencil this way. You're going up like that. Take it downwards. Take it south.
South. South. Not north. South. I don't know whether I'm going north or south. I'm an arse from my elbow. Right, okay.
Right, okay, so right, so you've kind of put that mark in the right place. So just keep going over that, darkening it a bit more.
Right, okay.
And then you've got to draw.
So,
right.
South, north, south, north, south, north, south, north.
Yeah. And as you're doing it, you want to bring it slightly southwest.
West?
Southwest.
Southwest. Right.
I'll just show everybody that one. No, not a highlighter. That's it. Undo it.
Watch this. Wait a minute. Wait. Watch this. Watch this.
All right. Undo it. Shows the bond. That's it. So you've got a hang of it now. You've got the flick of the elbow and everything.
And then you do that.
Whoa. Really like this one. If I can push it up. Hold on a minute.
That sounds painful. Is that your leg coming off?
Yeah. All right. Got it. Okay. A little bit more, like more on. So if you look at the front, you can sort of see down the side like that. Look. I've done like a stripe, haven't I? That's it.
Am I going to get a job in The Lion King? I would love it. I love The Lion King.
That's it. Right. Leave that like that for a minute.
Lovely.
Okay?
Looking really good.
Buff those two colours together by doing it in a circular. That's it. That's it.
It's not working.
No, it is. Keep going. That's it. Well, not 100%. No. Just keep buffing.
Keep buffing. Keep buffing.
You have no face left if you keep buffing. Relax the wrist a little bit. A little bit, you know. Woo!
Woo! Oh, it looks terrible. Where's my bloody hat gone?
It working?
Right. Oh, wait a minute.
Can you hear me? You need to turn your camera around. This gets worse every week. So what I thought I'd do to make it a little bit easier is
a little bit
would let's talk about red lipsticks, okay? Because there's lots of women who would like to wear a red, but don't know whether they are a blue red or whether they are an orange red.
Right, okay. I think everyone's got that. Has everyone got that? Are you a blue red or are you an orange red? Don't worry, at the end of this you won't have a fucking clue.
Right, so there's a couple of ways of telling what colour red suits you, right?
Right.
So they say this is a bit of a little bit of an old wives' tale, right?
Right.
If you look at the veins in your wrist,
I love this. I love this.
Right. Now,
are
they blue or are they green?
Are you making this up?
No.
You're bloody serious.
No, I'm not. Are they blue
she's
or
making
are they
it
green?
up, isn't she?
I'm
going to switch on the comments just for a second, just so that people can say she's making it up.
I'm not. I think you're... Well, it looks a bit greeny there, but what do you think?
Should I? I don't know. Let's see yours. I can't believe that this is a makeup lesson. I mean, seriously. I mean, really.
Yeah. So a blue red would suit. Let me just try and think of somebody famous that, like Nicole Kidman, right? Someone famous, Kaye. But then an orange red would be somebody like
Anytime. No rush.
What do you mean by I take too long accent boring myself?
Oh, it's Siri's talking to
How
me.
about a web search for it?
It's a bit creepy, isn't it?
Yeah.
Penelope Keith.
Penelope Keith?
Penelope Keith.
No, the food doctor lady.
Bloody hell, give me a break. Gillian McKeith. Hello, gorgeous Lee. Listen, Lee, we're going to go because I'm going to go and start crying because she's just been an absolute cow.
She's got to go for
I'm sure Gillian McKeith's a lovely, lovely lady.
You got mistaken for her once, do you remember?
Don't start me. That was Loose Women. That was Loose Women that did that.
No, when you was at that party, somebody come up to you and told you about their diet. And
yeah.
Like, why are they telling me about their diet?
I know, and then it dawned on me. Thought I was bloody Gillian McKeith.
You were polite.